In response to many requests for the closet tour, I completely reorganized my closet. I mean, it was not fit for company before. This room was originally a sitting room, and my husband got the nice built-in closet over there. And so we had to do something for me, and this is what I came up with. The key thing I wanted to do is be able to see everything. I wanted everything out. I didn't want anything stuck in drawers or boxes or packed back behind stuff because I wouldn't get to see it. So what I did was I sort of merchandised it basically. So I can see all my cute bags. I can see all my shoes in one glance and all kinds of fun things over here. Oh, so you have to see this. Okay, this, yes, it is Linda Carter's signature on there. She autographed this for me. I met her when she was coming to do an interview at my old TV station. And I used to carry my makeup in this. And I was coming in from a live shot, and she was standing in the lobby of the news station. And I said, "Oh, Ms. Carter, I'm such a big fan. This is my makeup bag." And she thought it was hysterical. And she signed it for me, which I thought was delightful. So it stands there in place of pride. Now let's talk about organizing this monster. I did the whole big closet clean out. We've talked about, I did one in the city a few years ago, and I went through some of the rules, but I wanted to jot them down, and these are the things that help me. So first off, hangers must match. Get all matching hangers. They're super inexpensive now. You can get them at Costco or Target. Just get the slimline flocked hangers like that. They're great. The second thing is you have to take it all out. You have to take it all out. I found stuff that was like, had fallen behind, and I took all this down, I took everything out, and stuff is stuck away in corners, and you discover things you didn't know you had. Try it all on. That is a big pain in the butt, but you need to do it. You have to put everything on your body and look at it and go, "Ugh, do I love it? Do I hate it? Is it if?" If it's if, just get rid of it. You don't want it. One of the ways you can winnow out the things you want to keep or toss is ask yourself, would you buy it again? Because if you wouldn't buy it again, why are you keeping it in the first place, right? It should go on down the line to someone who will love it. Leave some space empty. That's really important. So for instance, this is empty. I have not filled that. I could stuff more shoes into here, but I'm not going to, right? I've got a little space here, here. I don't feel the need to just squish everything together. I'm gonna leave a little space, let it breathe, and then when one thing comes in, one thing goes out. That's the final piece of closet stasis, right? So there's balance. One thing comes in, one thing goes out. That makes a big difference. Then we have the mirror situation. These were just leaning on the wall, and my husband put them up, mounted them like that, and I have one here, and that way you can take the back view. You need to always be able to check out your rear view for hair, for, you know, buttle region, make sure everything looks good. So that's important. Now, all of these pieces that are in here, we did very, very inexpensively. These are from Costco, right? These are from Target. These are from Target. And again, my husband put these together for me. And then I just rehung the art. I brought in another lamp. I brought in a rug, which I had before. And I got this tuffet, which I had before. So it's more sort of like a living room. And then so all these little things, this is another little hint. So these bins, also from Target, really inexpensive. They're similar, so you have everything is sort of the same. These are the same. So it just gives, it kind of unifies everything, and it makes it look really neat and tidy. And then also for my scarves, I put them on end like that, especially when they're very thin, so that you can see them. They're like, you can kind of excavate and see. Because otherwise you put them in drawers and you forget you have stuff, you know? And then I have my bracelets. So I put all my bracelets in here, and these are just dividers that you use, you know, like for kitchen utensils. So then my bracelets can sit in there really nicely. I've got little ones in here for little earrings and rings and things like that. And then of course, you know how I like to hang my necklaces, and all that stuff just gets hung here on either end. These hangers, these are actually shower caddies. And so my husband he just did these zip ties on here, and now I can just hang everything. Put my birds, so for when I put birds on my hair. You know, when I do updo sometimes I put the birds on my hair. It's kind of hard to store them, so they need to sit right there. They're very happy together. That's the necklace situation solved. And then for boots, because of course up here in the Northeast we wear a lot of boots. Boots are such a hassle to get those, you know, dividers, those inserts, you know, that make them stand up. So I just lay everything sideways. I just got another one of these, a really extra long one, again from Target, and I just put them in on top of each other sideways. And cowboy boots. Texas girl has to have her cowboy boots. So there it is, the closet tour, now that I've cleaned it up for you. I'm glad, because you kind of shamed me into doing it. Y'all definitely wanted to see it. It was a mess in here. Much better, much better. All right, I will continue to survey my domain, and you guys stay as glamorous as you can stand to be.